How do I sign in to my Amazon Prime TV account using MYTV activation code?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be guiding you through the process of signing into your Amazon Prime TV account using your MYTV activation code. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you navigate this process with ease.
What is an Amazon Prime TV MYTV activation code?
The MYTV activation code is a unique code that Amazon Prime TV generates for you to log into your account on a device other than a computer or smartphone. It's typically used when you're trying to sign in to your Amazon Prime account on a smart TV, game console, or another streaming device. Remember, this code is unique to your Amazon account and should not be shared with others.
How to obtain the MYTV activation code?
1. First, turn on your smart TV and launch the Amazon Prime app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to your TV's App Store, download and install the app. 2. Next, once the app is launched, navigate to the Sign In section. A screen with a unique MYTV activation code should appear. Please note this code down as you'll need it for the next steps.
How to use the MYTV activation code to sign in?
Follow the steps below. 1. Firstly, on a separate device, like a computer or smartphone, open a web browser. 2. Then, navigate to the Amazon Prime TV activation page. Sorry, I can't provide the link here as per your instructions, but you can simply search for Amazon MYTV in your favorite search engine. 3. Next, you'll be asked to sign in to your Amazon account. Input your email address and password and proceed. 4. After you're signed in, you'll find a field asking for your MYTV activation code. Enter the code that you noted down from your TV screen. 5. Finally, click on Register Device. If the code is correct, your device should be registered, and you'll be able to access Amazon Prime TV from it. Congratulations! You've now learned how to sign in to Amazon Prime TV using your MYTV activation code. Always remember to keep your activation codes secure and enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Amazon Prime. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who may need it. Happy streaming!